What's going on, family? So I'm summing up my day here at the cafe. A few things I did: put my bar across the top. I got to sum the top of that up, so I'm gonna put a piece of flat 11 gauge metal in there because she was going to get a roll-up door in here, so that's why we was going with this system. Still going to keep the top the same, but this whole inside is going to remain open because it's going right up against the building. Did my stages, came back and did my 70-18 passes on both sides of these today. So came back and did them. Installed a sign today. You know, I did a few things, so I've been getting some things accomplished. Now look at this weather, man. It don't look nice. It look like it's probably gonna start raining, storming or something right now. Like, you can see it, you can smell it in the air. Well, I'm out here, like I say, lining out the few things I got to get lined out. So everything is good and secure. I was actually going to cut it today, but I'm gonna wait because it's about to storm, and it's supposed to storm for the next few days, and I ain't gonna be able to finish capping it completely. So I don't even want to cut it till I got all of my stuff ready where I can cut it, cap it, seal it, done. You know what I mean? I want to be able to knock it out in one day, and I can do that part in one day. Like, literally, I can cap both ends, I can cut it, cap both ends, do my door or whatever, seal it off in one day. So as long as I got enough time and I got to live here on time, it ain't gonna be no problems for me to cap this off. So that's what I'm doing. Actually just going over a few things right now on what I got to do, and before I do the remaining of the staircase, because I've been debating on doing different going different ways with it. So I'm still thinking about it right now. I have even thought about coming from the side of the front, but I really think I'm gonna go from the rear. I just want to go and I want to cap it first. Once I cap it, I can really tell on how I really want to lay it out, because I'm gonna have my AC unit on this farther side, and I haven't bought the AC unit yet, so I probably need to go and get the AC unit. That way I know exactly what size to have that frame, because I hate to square it out, then I have to go back and cut it again. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to keep from double working myself and get everything lined out. But it's coming together. Got the rest of the metal I need. Got a couple more pieces I got to pick up actually tomorrow. I really should have picked it up today, but I got sidetracked doing those signs. But like you say, as we do things, man, you can do one thing at a time, do it in stages. As long as you're getting something accomplished, hey, you're getting your hog on. So that's all that matters. So today, got a few things accomplished on the cafe, a couple things independently, just, you know, working out kinks, you know, trying to get a couple things accomplished. So that's what I'm trying to do today. About to sum it up. Like I say, the weather like it's about to get bad, so I'm gonna get out of this thing. Y'all be blessed. Hog on.